Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install MinGW on Windows 10. First, open your favorite browser, search for MinGW, open the link that says sourceforge.net, click on the download button, wait for the download to finish. Once the download is finished, run the installer. Click on install, accept everything, and click continue. Wait for the download to finish. Now you have the MinGW installation manager. Mark for installation on MSys base, MinGW32 GCC G++, and also MinGW developer tool. Next, we click Installation and Apply Changes. Click Apply and wait for the manager to download everything and perform the installation. Once it is finished, click Close and you are done. Now you have to set the environment variables. Press the Windows key, type env, and then you have environment variables. Double click on path. Next dialog box, click new, and then you type c:\mingw /msys /1.0 Press enter, click new again, and type c:/mingw/bin. Press enter, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK, and you are done. Next, we run PowerShell. Press the Windows key, type PowerShell, and click on Windows PowerShell. Once we have Windows PowerShell is open, we need to run bash. BASH. Press enter. We have list. We have print working directory. We have set. We have org. We have many command tools from Gnu and BSD projects. We can also type echo string 0 and we get the location of bash. We also have GCC compiler to compile C program. We add -minor version, we give the version, and so with the C++ compiler using G++. Now we want to try to write our first C program. We have Vim editor, Vim. First we create a directory called temp, mkdir temp, cd temp, and pwb print working directory. Now we are in directory temp. Vim, our program name is hello.c, so vim hello.c. It will open VI editor. Press I to start to type, and then we type the program, include stdio.h. Enter integer main. Open curly braces, printf hello world. Don't forget to add the new line character /n, and then return 0, semicolon, and close the semi bracket. To exit, press escape and shift Z. If we list the directory, we have hello.c in the current directory. Now we want to compile using GCC. We type GCC hello.c -o hello, the output name. you will get hello.exe. If we list the directory to run /hello without exe, and the output is hello world. Thank you.